This is Jamaican Basil, Ocimum gratissimum, and what you're about to discover will change the way you think about healing forever. For more than 400 years, our ancestors didn't just use this plant, they revered it. Fever crushing your body? Brew basil tea. Wounds festering? Apply a basil poultice. They weren't just guessing. They were practicing ancestral pharmacology long before laboratories had names for it. Today, science is finally catching up. Inside these humble leaves are three molecular powerhouses: eugenol, thymol, ocimum. Eugenol alone, the same bioactive compound found in cloves, comprises 70% of the essential oil in this remarkable plant. It's nature's antiseptic, and it's extraordinarily potent. But here's where the story becomes truly fascinating. In 2019, a groundbreaking study published in the journal Molecules confirmed what our elders already knew. Basil extracts effectively destroyed dangerous bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. Even more remarkable, scientific reviews demonstrate strong anti-inflammatory potential, supporting its traditional use for colds, flu, bronchitis, and asthma. Then came an unexpected breakthrough in metabolic health. In 2021, research published in Medicines revealed that basil leaf extract, administered for just 1 month, improved diabetes markers by 40% in diabetic models. The findings were so compelling that researchers called for new drug development and immediate human trials. But this isn't merely a story of modern science validation. Listen to Dr. Clove speaking with Aunt Lynette, a maroon herbalist from Jamaica's mountains.
And what is the name of this nice-looking plant?
Tame basil.
Basil.
Yes.
And what is it good for?
It is good for cold.
And how do you prepare it?
You can rub the leaves and inhale it, and you can boil it and drink it.
So you boil the green leaves, a few of them, with a cup of water and drink it like once per day?
It's not too good to boil it green.
No?
We always put it in the sun, let the sun penetrate it for 10 minutes or so on. Or if try it.
She carries this knowledge in her very essence. Wisdom passed down through generations of freedom fighters who healed with the land itself. As a descendant of the Maroons himself, this is precisely why Dr. Clove created the Kitchen Lab. Because the most potent cures don't always emerge from pharmaceutical factories. They spring from our soil, from the sacred legacy of our ancestors, now validated by peer-reviewed science. Here, every leaf tells an ancestral story, and every story holds the potential to save a life. Until next time, stay rooted in ancient wisdom and be empowered with modern proof.